Hi, Royal Family. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Well, today where I'm at, it is cold and cloudy. So I was like, okay, it's time to do some soup. So what I'm going to do today is green Chile chicken soup. And I'm going to give you the ingredients. And I want to make sure this time I don't leave off anything like I left off the vanilla for the buttermilk pie. Okay, I want to show you your seasoning. You're going to need 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. That's 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. This is 1/2 teaspoon of oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. So these are all your seasonings, okay? Next, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of flour. And of course, we're going to make this as a light roux. It's only to thicken the soup up. You're going to need 1/2 of an onion. Now, I got a whole one here, but you're only going to need 1/2 of it, all right? You're going to need 2 russet potatoes. You're going to need 1 cup of chicken stock. And also, you're going to need 1/2 cup of water, which I don't have here. Next, I'm going to use 2 7-ounce cans of the chopped green chilies. And of course, you see I got the mild. But 2 7-ounce cans of this. You're going to need a lime. I'll also show you what to do with the lime. You're also going to need 1 14.5 ounce of Mexican recipe stewed tomatoes. And last, you're going to need 1/2 cup. I have the whole can here, but you don't need the whole can of whole kernel corn. And this is optional. You don't have to add the corn, but I like the corn in the soup. Again, that's only 1/2 cup of the whole kernel corn. All right? So I'm going to get all these ingredients chopped up, cans open. Then we'll start. Oh, see, I almost forgot. And I bought a rotisserie chicken. And what I did, I just pulled the breast part off, the thighs, and I'm using the meat to the rotisserie chicken. So this was a whole rotisserie chicken. I just pulled all the breast meat off, the thigh meat. I actually ate a leg and 2 wings, so couldn't include that. All right, and this is your chicken, okay? I'll get this all chopped up, come back, and we'll get it started. All right, you guys, don't go too far. Okay, Royal Family, we're getting started. I wanted to show you what I did. I took the 2 tablespoons of butter and the 1/2 of the chopped onion, and I sauteed the onion in the butter first. And I did that for about, I'm going to say 3 minutes. And after the 3 minutes, I added the flour. Now, I want you guys to remember, the flour is only for a thickening. So you definitely do not want this to brown. So I would say cook this for about 2 minutes just to get the flour taste out, okay? So let me show you guys. You see? 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. But first, saute your onions in your butter. Okay? It's getting a little foggy. Sorry, you guys. Okay, I think we're good here. So next, what you're going to add is the 1/2 cup of water. All right, let's add that. Let's give this a really nice stir. Okay. Okay, that is the water. Next, we're going to put our potatoes. You remember the 2 russet potatoes? And I just diced them up. Okay, let's put that in there. All right. Next, we're going to put all of our seasoning in there. Let's just sprinkle that around. All right. So we got our seasoning in here. Now we're not going to add the tomatoes or the chilies or the corn or the chicken yet, okay? All right. See that? Next, we're going to add the 1 cup of chicken stock. Okay, let's put that in there. And I only want you to cook the potatoes for 5 minutes. Okay, just 5 minutes. And then we're going to come back and add all of the other ingredients. Because once we add the other ingredients, we'll cook it for an additional 5 more minutes. And that should make the potatoes nice and soft. All right. Let's put a lid on this. I'll come back in 5 minutes. And also make sure you put it on, let's go with, let's go with a 3, okay? Let's do a 3. And for 5 minutes, and we'll come back and add the other ingredients. All right, you guys. Stay connected. It won't be long. Okay, my royal family, it has been about 6 minutes. And as you can see, the potatoes are halfway done. So now we're just going to add all of the rest of the ingredients and let this cook probably for another 7 minutes. Okay, here are the tomatoes and chilies. And the reason I put the tomatoes in the bowl, once I get them out the can, I like to kind of cut them up because I don't want them whole, you know, so I kind of smash them to get pieces of the tomatoes instead of the whole tomatoes, you know, once they come out the can. So let's just pour this in here. So that is the green chilies. No, you guys, it's not okra. It's the green chilies that I put with the tomatoes. Okay, so let's stir this up. Yum, yum. See that? And I am thinking I'm going to add some smoked paprika. I'm thinking, but I'll let you guys know for sure. Okay, and you remember the half a can of corn? Let's go ahead and put that in there. It's pretty contrast. Now, if you don't like corn, of course, you don't have to put it in here. And the 2 cans of chilies made it pretty spicy, you guys. So if you don't like it real spicy, you can really use just 1 can. Okay, the last ingredient is the rotisserie chicken. And I promise you guys, I haven't left off any ingredients this time. I checked. I made sure, okay? So this is pretty complete. All right. And please tell me how they look. Do that look heavenly or what? Wow. Look at the chicken. And always remember, you guys, when you get ready to serve this, please take out the bay leaves. All right, we're going to let this go for another 7 minutes on, let's say, medium. I will come back and show you how to plate this baby up. This is going to be a wonderful soup, you guys. All right, we're almost done. Okay, royal family, here is the finished product of the green chili chicken soup. It is amazing. And in the center, I like to mix sour cream in it. So I just wanted to show you the sour cream before I mixed it in. It's really good if you mix the sour cream in it. And also, I took a lime wedge and I squeezed some of the lime juice in there. And it just made it so awesome. You guys, please put this recipe in your recipe box and save it. It is really a great soup. Again, I would like to thank all of my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Please share and subscribe, and also leave any comment that you would like. And until next time, God bless you. Yummy!